Today, I'll show you how to set up Google Tasks so you can quickly organize your to-dos in a clean full-screen layout and keep important items easy to find. We'll walk through getting to the right place, creating useful categories, and marking your key tasks so they stand out. By the end, you'll have a simple system you can use every day. First, open your web browser and go directly to tasks.google.com. This is important because Google Tasks can show up in a few different places, like in the side panel of Gmail or Google Calendar, but going to this address gives you the full screen version. That full screen layout makes it much easier to see everything at once and manage multiple lists without feeling cramped. Once the page loads, you'll see your Google Tasks interface. Here, your lists will appear as side-by-side cards across the screen. Each card represents a different list, and this layout makes it simple to switch between areas of your life. For example, you might have one list for work, another for groceries, and another for personal errands or long-term goals. If you're new to Google Tasks, you might see a default list already there, which you can use or simply ignore and build your own. Now let's create some categories so your tasks are automatically grouped in a way that makes sense to you. Look over to the left side of the screen for the Create tab. This is where you'll add new task lists. Click the Create tab, and you'll be prompted to name your new list. Think about how you naturally group things in your head. You might type work for anything related to your job, grocery for shopping lists, or personal for things like appointments, hobbies, or reminders. Once you name the list, it will appear as its own card across the main area of the screen. You can repeat this process to add as many categories as you need. Try to keep them broad but meaningful so you don't end up with too many tiny lists that are hard to manage. A good starting point is 3 to 5 main categories that cover most of your daily responsibilities. Within each list, you can start adding individual tasks. Type in what you need to remember or get done, like email project update, buy milk and bread, or book dentist appointment. As you build out your lists, you'll quickly see how the side-by-side cards give you an overview of your different areas without mixing everything together. Next, let's make sure your most important tasks don't get lost in the shuffle. For any task that really matters, look for the star icon next to it, click that star, and the task will be marked as important. This doesn't move the task out of its list. Instead, it adds it to a special starred view. The starred view is perfect for quick access. Whenever you need to focus on what truly needs attention today or this week, you can open the starred section and see all your priority items in one place, no matter which list they came from. As you work, you can star and unstar tasks to keep that priority view up to date. That's all you need to get started. Go to tasksgoogle.com for the full screen layout. Use the Create tab to build clear categories like work, grocery, or personal, and star your key tasks so they always stay front and center. With this simple setup, Google Tasks can become a reliable home for everything you need to remember.